Welcome back, everybody. This is part 3 of 6 in my lecture series on exponentials and logarithms. In this video, we're going to take a look at what a logarithm even is. Let's get started. A logarithm is really just the inverse of an exponential function. So if I've got f of x equals b to the x, we define its inverse to be log base b of x. Remember how, regardless of whether I have a growth or decay model, both of those are going to be one-to-one functions. They pass our vertical and horizontal line test. So it has an inverse, and we call that inverse log base b of x. But I really like to read logarithms as a question. So log base b of x is really asking me, what exponent do I have to give b to get back x, right? So if log base b of x is c, that means b to the c power is x. Let's use that idea to compute each of these. In part A, we're being asked to find log base 2 of 8. Again, think of this as a question. What power or what exponent do I need to give 2 to get back 8? The answer is 3, because 2 to the third power is 8. Moving on to part B, what power do I need to give 5 to get back 625? Well, that's 4. These two are a little trickier. What power do I need to give 4 to get back 1/16? Now, if it was just 16, you would probably immediately say 2, and you'd be right. But here I've got 1/16. Remember, negative numbers cause us to flip it over. So 4 to the negative 2 power is 1/16. Similarly, log base 3 of 1/27 is negative 3. A couple of quick notation things. When I write a log without a base, this is called a common logarithm, and the implication is that it's base 10. So when you don't see a base on the logarithm, there's really an imaginary base 10 there, just like how we don't write x to the 1 power in our polynomials. Same thing here, except when I shorten it to ln, that's because it's the natural logarithm. And this has base e, where e, again, from last video, is Euler's constant. So when you see ln, that's the natural log, or base e. In this video, we talked about where the logarithms come from. In the next video, we're going to sketch some of their graphs. Catch y'all in the next one.